In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Snapchat account. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? It's going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step process. So the first thing you want to do is open any browser that you prefer using. And on the search bar, you want to simply go ahead and search for Snapchat account recovery, just like that. Now you want to click on the first link which says help.snapchat.com. Simply go ahead and click on I can't access my account. Now, once you do this, you can simply go ahead and choose exactly what your problem is. So let's say you forgot your password. You can simply go ahead and tap on here, and then it will simply go ahead and help you change your password by clicking on change your password one more time. All you need to do is enter your email or your phone number, and then click on next. They'll send you a verification code to that number or email. Enter that back, and you'll be able to change your password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.